yeah, I can see. There is.
I told you. Hi guys, welcome back to IT's channel and Merry Christmas, guys. So here we have a lot of gifts to open. Try see Santa Claus, right? I have so many gifts. I have 3 gifts, and then this is for mommy.
Thank you.
I've been waiting for this all day.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, wait,
From,
I think this is yours.
CS2.
Yep,
Alright.
this is yours.
So I think we have to open the first gift. Can you read first? Can you read
this is-
first?
CS3.
What's...
This is for Additionette.
Oh yeah, that's Celiorn.
Let's go open. Sour zone?
Oh, that's from Santa Claus.
Oh. First, I'm gonna start with the little ones, of course, because I'm gonna let the biggest ones go in for the last, because it's gonna be the surprising.
Alright, so let me see.
Can I open this?
Yeah.
I like it. Whoa! It's a new book. A puppy. Try it. Take a look. Oh, it's a book. Try it. Take a look. My present is. Oh, that's Grizz. You can toggle him. Guys, look what I've got. It's a book.
Let me see. Can you read it?
It's Goldilocks and the 3 bears. They're the 3 little piggies. Right, let's go open the other one. Story tale. That's mine. You have to open together. No. Okay.
You have to read
So
first.
This is for me, and this is from Santa Claus.
Oh, that's Cleyorn. Cleyorn at...
Let's go. Try it. Let's go open.
That's Cleyorn.
You have to open.
What's this? This is for you, Shwari.
Yeah.
That's maybe this one for you. Maybe this is for baby.
Wait, can I see the name? Clear Santa Claus. Okay. That sounds good. I guess
Why
I
are you
have the
biting
biggest one.
that?
Try to open it. Then if it's a makeup kit, then that's definitely mine.
Wow! What's that, Schweizer?
Holy moly! Oh my gosh! Oh, Santa does really love me. Me too.
What do you
What's
have?
that? Wait, is that a purse? Oh, it's with makeup too. We both have makeup. I wish for my own one. I have another nail polish. So you see, guys, I have a nail polish as a gift, and I have another one. Oh, can you help me?
Later, we're going to unbox that
blue.
tomorrow.
It's blue.
Do you want to unbox that and use it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my
Oh
god!
my gosh, Bingy,
Don't broke.
that could have been broken.
Yeah.
Can you help me?
Oh my
gosh,
gosh.
I'm so excited for
Later, because look, we're going.
Oh my gosh, I'm so
Do
excited to get
We're going to use-
on it.
Scissors. Use scissors. Do not open it.
Where's the scissors?
You have to look for the scissors first.
OMG. Wait, it's me. I'm getting it. Hey!
Ay, nako, Schweizel.
Where is that? Why you forgot the scissors again? Oh, I have something. Ow! That hurts. And this is Daddy's present. This is my present for Daddy.
Wow, thank you.
This is my present for Daddy.
So what can you say about Santa? What can you say about
I
your...
liked it. Thank you, Santa. So we have the present. And let's
I
have
think I will be the one to do
I
it.
know.
Careful. Oh, so you're very excited with that?
Yep, I am so excited because my dream is coming true.
Oh, that's very mahal.
Wow. I thought Santa Claus will give me the lollipop one, but he does love me because he buy me a big gift. And then he bought me 2 gifts.
Yeah. Because maybe you're
Because-
a very good girl.
Yeah, because I always like
You followed mommy always.
Yeah. So that's why Santa Claus.
And then you have to
does
tell Ate Shwinette that she has a gift too from Santa.
that. Okay.
You're going to tell her.
So in next Christmas, I'm gonna have.
OYG!
Baby, you have to use the brushes, not your.
Your hands. Do you really like that? You're so arte.
I wanted to go home to get it, and this is so fun. This is better than the other Christmas that we had. I can't believe, and next year I'm gonna have another big gift from Santa Claus because I'm gonna be good this year.
Yeah, so you should always follow mommy and daddy, and of course you have to study harder, okay?
Yeah. You're gonna study hard to do what you do. Oh, I found it. There's no tape.
You have to.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. This one first. That's it.
Yay, guys, I'm excited. It is real makeup, but it's a toy for kids.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna be so cool. Oh my gosh.
So you have to put it there.
OMG.
You have to put it there.
My exciting moment of my life. Mommy, this is how you open it. Wait. Yeah, it is.
How can we open that? Can you hold this one? I'll be the one to do it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wow! Oh my gosh! It's like a modern one.
I think this one is a
Now, can you hold it?
lipstick.
Can you hold it, please? Mommy, can you help me get this? Look at guys. Maybe you should be good now because you see that I have a makeup palette that is really big, but I only asked for a little one. But Santa Claus did give me a big one.
Wait. I can't help you. Wait for a while.
Gosh, I'm so excited for this. I'm so gonna like. How did Santa even do this? Okay.
Just be careful. This one is your lipstick.
I